You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing vocabulary from the Bible and from history too. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Idumean, Idumean, Idumean with a D sound. Some say it also as Idumean with a J sound. Idumean or Idumean. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.